Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. Join me today. Let's make this refreshing and relaxing drink. I'll be using coconut for this drink. I'm using one medium-sized coconut. I also have some tiger nuts here which I soaked. I bought the dry ones and then soaked it for 3 days. After soaking it for 3 days, this is what we have. And mind you, I was changing the water each day until the 3rd day. And I will also be adding some dates to the drink. Now we're ready to make the tiger nuts coconut milk. What are we going to call it? Tiger nuts coconut date ginger milk. Alright, so we've got the tiger nut here, all well washed. This is 3 days after soaking it. I soaked this for 3 days. So these 3 days after soaking it, and I have here one medium-sized coconut which I've cut open and cut into pieces, and this is the date. I've deseeded it and cut into tiny bits also, and I'm using here about a tablespoon of ginger. So let's get started. So I'm not going to grind up because I still have excess here. So into the blender, we'll add the halfway. I'll grind it in 2 times. Some coconuts. Some of the dates and some of the ginger. Add some water to cover the blender, to cover the tiger nuts and all the rest. We'll cover, we'll now cover and blend. And here we have our refreshing and the delicious tiger nuts and the coconut drink. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to like the video, comment, share the video also, and subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. Love you all. Bye bye.